welcome back to my channel. Hello beautiful glam fam, glam everyone, welcome back to my channel. I thought I'd bring the pups into the video because it's a Christmas themed video. I'm so excited. I have a lot of fall and Christmas themed videos coming and dropping and have dropped, so I hope you guys are in the Christmas spirit. I've already decorated my whole house. Obviously we have the pink tree here, and then we have the red Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer theme in the living room. I'm very excited to have two big trees this year. This one is 6 foot and the one in the living room is 9 feet. So it's really fun and it's so festive, and I love that I get to have my little girly moment in my bedroom and make everything so much more festive for the boys. And I'm so excited to get into it with you guys. But before we do have a sponsor for today's video, which is Dossier. Thank you so much to Dossier for sponsoring today's video. I've talked to you guys about Dossier before and I absolutely love them. They are the best dupes that you can find for high-end perfume. Their perfumes are super affordable. They make a great gift because you can get multiple ones. They're super chic looking. I love that the cap is magnetic, and they're made in France, in the home, the heart where all of the high-end perfumes are made. You can try them out. They have a great system. They have all types of dupes. I mean, I could just go on and on and on about them. I absolutely love them. They have unisex perfumes as well as male and female perfumes. Everyone, there's something for everyone at Dossier, so definitely check it out. I have a discount code. It's in the description box. Every time I talk about them, you guys say that you've tried them and you love them because I talked about them, so I guarantee you won't be disappointed. I use them for my house. I use them on myself. They make a great gift. I love Dossier, so check out Dossier down below. Thank you so much to Dossier for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get into the mood to decorate. Let's go.
Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do to get in the mood is put on a Christmas candle, of course, maybe 2, maybe 3. I'm also gonna set out some Christmas cookies in this really cute little snowflake dish, and I'm also gonna spray everything with peppermint spray because it makes the house smell so good and it reminds me of Christmas time, although I love peppermint all year. Then I'm gonna put on a Christmas movie, and I'm also gonna change the desktop wallpaper on my laptop to something Christmassy. I found a really pretty one on Pinterest, and I'm gonna put on a Christmas movie, and then we're gonna start decorating.
Okay guys, so for my topper, I got this really cute $5 like it's like a pillow topper, and it has an opening here, so you just stick it on the very tip of the tree, which I love. $5, super pretty. They did not have rose gold, and on Amazon I found the same one, but it was like $13.99, and I was like, $5, $13.99, I'll just get it while I'm here. But against the pink tree, it's like too gold, and I don't actually have any glitter, which is dumb. I'm probably gonna get some at a craft store and just dust actual glitter on top, but just as an idea, you can kind of see it here. I took this like burgundy, I dropped it and it broke. I took this burgundy eyeshadow from ColourPop with like a small face brush, and I'm literally rubbing it on. Look at that. Like, it actually looks rose gold. Look at the yellow side and then this side.
So these vintage Barbie ornaments, I just got in a couple days ago. That's why they're like in a random part of the video, because I didn't have them when I was doing the main decorating. But I figured I'd show you guys them. They're so freaking cute. They're vintage from 1996 and 1997. So they're kind of darkened and yellowed from being so old. But I still think they look beautiful. I think they add a really nice charm. Sorry if you hear noise. Those are my dogs in the background making noise. They add a really nice charm to the tree, and they also really bring in that Barbie theme, and I just think they look really pretty on the tree. So definitely wanted to show you guys. I also just got in a tree skirt from Amazon, and I'll put a clip of that here as well. It's this beautiful little glittery tree skirt. Everything's just coming together little by little. I'll probably even add more stuff, but I think overall the tree is like 98% done. But definitely follow on Instagram to make sure that you're keeping up with all of the updates on both of my trees, because I'm updating both. I pretty much decorate up until December. I just find it to be so fun to like put up the tree, and then as I go along, find new and exciting things to add to it.
Yeah, for you. Say bye, guys. Say bye, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting our mama. Like the video. Bye.